This is a demo of a custom HR job requisition process that we created for one of our clients a few years ago. Like most companies, this client had specific needs for the approval process for job postings, application standards, onboard training, the annual evaluation process, corrective actions, and separations. This web application demo focuses on 12 screenshots from the actual application. The automation of this process resulted in reduced turnover percentages, improved focus on the hiring process, increased focus on OT/JT, consistency of the rewards and recognitions program, and improved succession planning. To start off the process, a manager logs into the application and provides key information about the open position for the public to see, including hourly rate, job description information, and to explain to senior leadership the need for the new hire. The admin, district manager, or HR, is sent an alert that there is a position to approve or deny based on the request. The application recognizes their user group of admins so they can access the approval page. Once approved by the administrator, the job becomes public for candidates to apply to a specific job that was posted based on location, position details, and shift. Managers are alerted by email once a candidate applies to their posted position. The manager can quickly analyze applicants from the summary view of their last employer, years at that company, last position held, if they are a high school graduate, a current employee looking for a transfer, or look at the entire application that was submitted by the candidate. If a manager is not interested and would like to limit the view of a non-qualifying candidate, he or she can click on the status icon and send an automated no thank you letter to that candidate. Sending this letter will hide the candidate from the view of the manager so they can focus on the candidates they are interested in. Once a manager decides to bring a specific candidate for an interview, the manager clicks on this link to load the interview module. In the interview module, managers would enter interview notes and key information about the pre-qualifying candidate and then update the status from new entry to interviewed. If the manager is interested in the candidate, they would complete the pre-employment screening dates for background checks, drug screenings, TB shots, or any other required exam. Once this data is submitted, the candidate record information gets routed to the HR department to initiate the exams. Automated pass or fail letters can be generated instantly, and the manager gets blind copied on the results as well. Once the necessary screenings are completed, the record gets routed back to the manager to schedule the onboard training date and location. The manager is alerted that the candidate has completed all of the required pre-employment screening and is now ready for the onboard training classes. The manager can view the current dates and locations from the interface and schedule the classes that populate the training booker section. The training booker interface gives the training team and HR department a 300-foot view of the candidates scheduled for each class, those pending for screening results, and a tally of employees that have been hired. An admin would click on the training booked link to drill down into an applicant's file. Here, an admin can log remaining information about the new hire, enter training results, blast automated pass or fail letters, and upload forms that still must remain manual and map them into each specific employee. Once the employee has completed the onboard training, it is time to get them set up with all of the supplies, user credentials, and distribution of the necessary equipment needed to start their career. This screen is accessible by multiple users to empower several stakeholders to view the process of handling each item. Tasks are grouped by color of individuals that are responsible for completing the line item and grouped by category of new hires so the right items are completed depending on the category of the individual. Once they complete the task, they check the box and it will timestamp and identify the users that completed this task. From here, the application flows into an employee 30, 60, 60-day rounding interface, employee evaluations, corrective actions, employee separations, and an array of HR reports. Return on investment. The organization realized over 6,000 applicants within a year of project completion. This equates to about 42 applications per position posted. The entire application lifecycle, from planning to project handoff, was completed in 4 months. This organization realized a labor savings of 3 full-time employees that in the past had managed this process by hand. We specialize in transforming manual processes into automated web applications and also develop Android apps which work in tandem with these cloud-based applications. We have extremely affordable rates and work very efficiently. Thank you for watching.